how to add a reverb or delay to just the snare or just one drum in your drum kit. So here we've already kind of jumped ahead of the tutorials themselves because usually people lay a whole drum kit in one layer. Kick, snare, hi-hat, everything in one layer. And we've already learned how to separate the drum kicks, snares, and everything into their own layers. So to recap, we're going to click on our snares, Command C, take our marker point to the very first one, which will do the same thing up here. We're going to delete them. We're going to duplicate our drum layer, and we're going to Command V. Now we have our snares separated onto their own layer, placed properly where they're supposed to be placed. So now that the snare is separated and isolated, we go down to our effects, Space Designer, or whatever other reverb you want to use. It's that easy. Do the same thing for kicks or for anything else you want to affect in any way. Isolate it and then add the effect to that layer after. And that is how you add an effect to a snare or other isolated sound in Logic Pro X.